Okay, students, now with problem number 3. Problem number 3 is a point slope problem. Point slope formula problem. And the reason it's a point slope formula problem is I can recognize it right off the answer set. And the reason it's a point slope formula problem, there's a few things that I'm recognizing. One is they give me y plus or minus a number. The second thing they give me is on the right side of the equal sign, they give me a fraction. The third thing I notice is they give me parentheses with x and another number. That resembles this formula. That's how I recognize it. Now, when you have this situation, these problems are actually pretty much on the straightforward side. And if you can recognize it, then I'm hoping it's a lot easier for you to come up with the correct answer. Because they're not asking you to do anything here. They're not asking you to solve. They're not asking you to graph. The only thing they're asking you to do is to substitute and recognize. So matter of fact, let's just do that. So they give me the coordinate, and the coordinate here is 2, 1. So I'm going to substitute the value 2, the first value in my coordinate where I see x sub 1. Notice that 1 is lower than the x, so that's why it's called a sub 1. And the next thing I see is the second value in my coordinate's 1, and I'm going to substitute, since that's the second value in my coordinate, I'm going to substitute that into the y sub 1 part of my formula. So let's do that. So in the coordinate, it's 2, 1, so it's going to be y minus 1 equals, and m is the slope, and the slope, they tell me slope of 1/4, so I'm going to make a fraction, 1/4. And then the next part, x stays the same, but I'm going to substitute the x sub 1 with 2. Okay, and y minus 1 is just y minus 1. And the 1/4 is going to stay the same. And x minus 2 is just x minus 2. So which one has y minus 1 equals 1/4 x minus 2, and that's the letter A. And it's really as straightforward as that, just some substitution. I hope this helps.